to develop healthy eating habits. Good health is just a matter of taking a new approach to eating and making simple changes. You will need cooking facilities, a shopping list, healthy foods, breakfast, healthy snacks, and water. Optional: books and internet access. Step 1. Cook and prepare your own meals as often as you can. This will help you avoid eating processed and fast foods, which are higher in sodium and fat. Healthy, low-fat recipes and guidance are available in bookstores and on the internet. Step 2. Plan healthy meals and make a shopping list. Fill your cart with lots of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grain foods, and lean meats. Step 3. Read nutrition labels. Pay attention to saturated fat, sodium, and sugar. The higher the numbers, the unhealthier they are. Step 4. Eat breakfast every day. Breakfast helps to rev up your metabolism. Make it a habit to eat something within the first hour after you wake up. Step 5. Try to eat small meals every 3 to 4 hours. Aim for 3 small balanced meals and 2 snacks. Step 6. Drink plenty of water every day. Water hydrates the body and aids the digestive system, and it's calorie-free. Step 7. Feel the difference in your body. More energy and stamina, as well as sharper thinking as you feed your body healthy foods. Did you know? A study found that more than 16% of U.S. children and teens are obese.